Imagine walking into your office or logging in remotely and finding that half your workload is already done. No, it's not magic. It's your new AI coworker. In 2025, AI agents are no longer futuristic. They're here working alongside us. So, how are they really changing the workplace? Buckle up because this will blow your mind. Before we dive in, let's clarify what AI agents are. They're more than chatbots or virtual assistants like Siri or Alexa. Think of them as highly intelligent systems that don't just respond to commands. They learn, adapt, and even predict your needs. And the best part? They don't ask for coffee breaks. Let's paint a picture. Meet James, a marketing manager in 2025. His AI agent called Clara starts the day by analyzing industry trends and generating tailored campaign ideas. By lunchtime, Clara has already drafted emails, designed ad prototypes, and recommended the best posting times for social media. Meanwhile, James, he's focusing on creative brainstorming. Sounds like a dream, right? But here's the kicker. What happens when AI makes decisions James doesn't agree with? Is it always a perfect partnership? AI agents aren't just transforming individual jobs, they're reshaping entire industries. Let's take a closer look. In healthcare, AI is speeding up diagnoses, improving patient outcomes, and even predicting pandemics. Imagine an AI agent that flags early signs of disease before symptoms appear. In retail giants are using AI to predict trends, optimize inventory, and personalize customer experiences. Ever wonder how online stores recommend exactly what you need? In education, students now have AI tutors that adapt to their learning styles. Struggling with math? Your AI tutors got you covered with bite-sized lessons tailored just for you. Which of these industries do you think benefits the most from AI agents? Let's hear your thoughts in the comments. Now let's debunk some myths. Are AI agents taking over jobs? Not exactly. Experts argue they're more like coworkers, handling repetitive tasks while freeing humans for creative and strategic work. But not everyone sees it that way. Myth 1. AI will replace humans entirely. Reality: AI complements human work, excelling in data analysis but lacking emotional intelligence and creativity. Myth 2. AI agents are always accurate. Reality: they're only as good as the data they're trained on. A bias in the data? That's a biased AI agent. What's the biggest misconception you've heard about AI? Share it below. We might feature your response in our next video. Of course, there are challenges. AI agents require training, maintenance, and ethical oversight. What happens when AI gets it wrong, or worse, when it's used unethically? In 2024, a London restaurant faced a severe reputation crisis when an AI-driven extortion group inundated their Google listing with fake negative reviews, causing their rating to plummet from 4.9 to 2.3 stars. The attackers demanded £10,000 to cease their activities. The restaurant enlisted the help of an online reputation management firm, which collaborated with Google to remove the fraudulent reviews, eventually restoring the establishment's rating to 4.8 stars. This incident underscores the potential risks of AI misuse in public relations and the importance of proactive reputation management strategies. So, what does the future look like? Experts predict that AI agents will take over 30% of tasks in most jobs by 2030, but they'll also create new roles we can't even imagine today. The key is adaptability. The future isn't about choosing between humans and AI. It's about finding harmony. AI agents are here, and they're changing the game. How will you adapt? Are you excited about the possibilities, or do you have concerns? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more thought-provoking content.